Yeah, it's got some clogs in it. Feel it.
Oh boy.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's not too bad. Better than a dead squirrel, I guess.
It is. It's been in there for a while. No, sir.
Lord. Like snake oil or something.
It is.
I can hear it though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
There it is.
Sitting in there too.
Yes, sir. Will you go see if that blower came off? I think the blower came off.
That's amazing. Oh, it's wet and all, but isn't that a fire hydrant?
It is when it's real dry. What it'll do is it'll cause the lint to back up around your heating elements on your dryer, and that's what starts the fire. And then with the air blowing it,
Perfect sense.
then with the air blowing it through there, what it'll do is the embers will get down into the pipe, the lint. Will get down. It's on the pipe. Okay.
What's that?
Oh, it's a toy sword.
Lego sword.
There we go.
Look at this. Is that not do that every time?
That looks like a piece of paper. Got a piece of paper going down through your lint trap.